Hello, my name is Jason Beck. I'm the founder of TYR Tactical. This is kind of a new blog set up for us. What we're going to try to do is on a weekly basis be able to try to launch a new product where it gives you the ability as an end user to understand and probably see some of the key features that otherwise just from reading on a website or reading on one of our online catalogs or being able to talk to one of our customer service reps. This hopefully gives you more of a kind of a training aspect to be able to see a lot of our products and see some of our key features directly from myself, and hopefully this allows you to be able to answer some of the questions you might have whenever we launch products from time to time. What we're launching today is our PICO plate carrier, which is our lightweight revolutionary plate carrier. This is a very low profile, very ergonomic system that meets the body. A great padding system that actually enhances the overall ballistic system, both of the plates and the soft armor that are in here. With the structure of us being able to use our PV material, it actually takes away a lot of the fabric that actually creates a lot of bulk in a lot of different carriers. So the PICO features 3 different variations of plate sizes for your choice. One is PICO 1, which actually features the ESAPI thickness and shape of the plate pocket itself. PICO 2 features more of a Circum or Ceradyne soft plate, also featuring our soft SOF 1190 plate, which is a new plate for TYR. Very lightweight, enhanced multi-hit thread plate. And then PICO 3 is an extremely thin plate, which features more of the BAE Eclipse style plate, or for us, as our preference, which is the TYR Tactical LV 1191, which is just to say the least, it's a pretty kick-ass plate overall, multi-hit and multi-thread. The reason that you would actually choose your plate thickness as well, or choose your actual plate carrier to meet that thickness, what that does is actually adjusts the actual thickness of the plate carrier itself. So as you see here, this plate carrier actually has our soft 1190 plates in here. So the thickness is not going to be as thick, or it takes away the material as it would be for the ESAPI, and it would be less material if you were running our 1191 plates as it is. So what that does is it takes away weight and sloppiness of the carrier itself, which maximizes the effectiveness of both from us from a manufacturing standpoint to meet the needs of the customer, but also meets your requirements as far as meeting what plates you might have. PICO also features 2 different front variations. One is more of a slick version for snipers or some assaulters that actually like a very, very thin, low profile front. There is a very low profile admin pouch in here that you can see. It has, or you can actually run MOLLE along the front as well. So those are the 2 different variations. There's a total of 6 different variations, either MOLLE front with either one of the plates, or an admin front with either one of the plates. So as you see that, it's featured on our website. You can also download the PDF that actually shows the different thicknesses of the plates that we have on here. And you can also contact a customer service representative here, or just email info@tyrtactical.com, and we can actually give you the layout of how your choices would be for the actual PICO itself. The PICO typically weighs anywhere between 3.4 and 4.2 pounds, and that's with soft armor. Depending on what the needs of the operator is, depending on what your needs are, you might go from a 5.56 gun to a 7.62 gun to like an SR25, to a sniper roll, to an assaulter, depending on what your mission set is. So what our objective was to do is to be able to give you an assortment of different front flaps. One being completely slick, no kangaroo pouch whatsoever, being able to be interchangeable, but being able to keep the cummerbunds actually secure. The next version is a slick front, but a 5.56 kangaroo pouch inside. And then, as you see here, the 5.56 kangaroo pouch holding 3 mags, but also with the MOLLE front. And then, last but not least, the 7.62 SR25, being able to run and adjust and be able to remove this kangaroo pouch but be able to add an entire new front onto this. These individual kangaroo pouches or flaps are sold separately. They are featured on our website as well as part of the kitting process, so you can actually pick and choose kind of all of the different adjustments or adaptations that you would like to set up your PICO in. As it comes standard, comes with front and rear plate pockets with soft armor, either your choice of T29 or T33 ballistic solutions, a ballistic vane, as well as if you are looking for an NIJ solution, one of our NIJ either level 2 or level 3A solutions. It comes with a 5.56 front flap kangaroo pocket with the insert. It comes with our external cummerbund, which is completely adjustable, our internal cummerbund, and a set of combo tabs to be able to add hydration or communication wiring, depending on wherever you'd like this, on the shoulders or on the back. It does come standard also with either PALS adapters that you see here, either 4 or 2, which are easily Velcroed on and off, being able to add an internal padding system up against the body itself, and being able to then add a pouch depending on where you'd actually like to place it on the system. So that is basically the standard PICO as you see it here and as you see on the website itself. Other options that you'll find on the website, just like you will the kangaroo options, or kangaroo flap options, are also 2, 3, 4, 6, and 8 PALS adapters. What this does is this gives you a great internal comfort around the external cummerbund itself. It's up against the body, very lightweight, but gives you a ton of adjustment and basically adapts the load carriage system of the carrier itself to whatever needs you have in the field. One of the other options that we also have is side plate pockets, so you can actually run a lightweight side plate pocket, being able again to have a padding system inside and being able to adapt this directly onto the actual side of the actual PICO itself. We greatly appreciate your service, and thank you for your time.